Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you a beautiful lesson. Vijnanasya Avishkaraha. Inventions of science. Today we are going to see the third part. Okay, children? Listen carefully. First I will read the paragraph, then I will explain you the meaning. Okay, children? Listen. See the picture, children. This is a rocket, right? See here. एतत् राकेट यंत्रमस्ति. अस्य गतिः वायुयानात् अपि द्रुततरा अस्ति. अस्य सहायतया मानवः चंद्रग्रहं गन्तुं समर्थो भवति. Okay, children? Now I will explain you the meaning. Listen carefully. एतत् rocket यंत्रम अस्ति. That means एतत् means this, right? So what is the meaning? This is a rocket. This is a rocket. Then yantram means mission, a rocket. Okay, see here. Then asya gatihi. What does it mean by gatihi? Gatihi means speed. Right, see here, gatihi means speed. Asya gatihi vayuyanat api. If you compare an aeroplane and a rocket can fly more speed than vayuyanam, aeroplane. That's why they have given vayuyanat api. The rocket can fly the high speed. If you compare with an aeroplane, it can fly more high speed than an aeroplane. Vayuyanat api. Drutatara. Drutam means high speed. Drutatara means very high speed. If an aeroplane can go like this, the rocket can go like this. Okay? It can go more high speed. It can fly in more high speed. Okay? Drutatara asti. Asya sahayataya. Because of the rocket, manavaha. Manavaha means we all. Okay? Man. Manavaha. Because of the help of the rocket, a person can fly to the Chandragraham. Chandragraham means what? To the moon. Okay? To the moon. Gantum samarthaha abhavate. He can go to the moon because of the help of the rocket. With the help of the rocket, a person can go to moon also. Okay, children? You know pretty well, Neil Armstrong. He is the first person who landed in moon. How he landed? With the help of the rocket. Okay, children? That's why they have given Manavaha Chandragraham Gantum Samarthaha Asti. Okay, children? Now I will explain about refrigerator. See here, see the picture? Refrigerator. Okay? Now I will read the paragraph. Just listen, children. एतत् शीतकमस्ति. अस्मिन् निधापितानि शाक फलादीनि भोज्यवस्तूनि शीतलानि तिष्ठन्ति. पर्युषितानि च न भवन्ति. ग्रीष्मर्तौ अस्य महान् उपयोगः भवति. Okay, children? What is the meaning for this paragraph? You know pretty well. What is the usage of a refrigerator? We can keep more vegetables. We can keep our food inside the refrigerator. Okay? By doing this, the food can't spoil for another 2 or 3 days. Right? This is the most important usage of a refrigerator. they have given that. See here. Etati sheetakam asti. You know pretty well. Etati means this. Okay. Sheetakam. What is meant by sheetakam? Sheetakam means refrigerator. Okay. This is a refrigerator. Okay. Then asmin nidhapitani. What is meant nidhapitani? Nidhapitani means kept. Okay. In Tamil we say vaikappatta. Asminne nidhapitani. If we keep shaka phaladini, vegetables, fruits, if we keep into the fridge, in a fridge, it won't decay, it won't destroy. Right? See here. Bhojya vastuni. Then what is meant by bhojya vastuni? Bhojya vastuni means food. Okay. We can also keep some food inside the refrigerator. Okay. Why we are keeping? Because if we keep out, right, if we keep the food out, it will decay in 1 or 2 days. But if we keep the same food in a refrigerator, it will be stable for another 5 or 6 days. Right, children? See here. Bhojya vastuni sheetalani tishtanti. The another help we are getting from the refrigerator is, it will be so cool, right? I'm keeping a cup of milk inside a refrigerator. If I take the milk, it is very cool, right? See here. Sheetalani tishtanti paryushitani cha na bhavanti. It is not decaying. In Tamil we say அழுகி போகிறது சொல்லுவாங்க, கெட்டு போகிறது சொல்லுவாங்க. உணவு கெடாம பாதுகாக்கிறது எது? ரெஃப்ரிஜரேட்டர். ஓகே. Then they are saying one more important usage, that is grishmartau. What does it mean grishmartau? Grishma ritau, grishmartau. Okay. Grishma ritu. What does it mean grishma ritu? Grishma ritu means summer season. Summer season. Okay, children. Grishma ritu. In summer season, the usage of a refrigerator is more important. That's why they have given Grishma ritau asya mahan upayogaha. Upayogaha means usage. Mahan means very big usage we are having. Okay, children? See here. Mahan upayogaha bhavati. Okay? Now you can understand about a refrigerator. Right? Children, listen. By seeing all these, what you are getting? In Tamil we say, அறிவியல் ஆக்கமும் அழிவும். சயின்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு நல்லது தான் கொடுக்குது, டெக்னாலஜி உங்களுக்கு நல்லது தான் கொடுக்குது, நிறைய நல்லது இருக்குது. அதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய நல்லது மட்டும் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கணும். அதை தவறான பாதையில் மனுஷனே தான் செலுத்துகிறான், அதை பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே. இஃப் ஐ எம் ஸ்பீக்கிங் வித் யூ through the online class, without the invention, without any technology, how can I speak? Okay, children? அப்போ நம்ம இதை ஒத்துக்கணும். என்ன ஒத்துக்கணும்? அறிவியல்னால நிறைய நல்லது நடந்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கு. அந்த அறிவியல்னால கெடுதல் நடக்குதே அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா, அதனால எதுவும் நடக்கிறது இல்லை, அதை மனுஷன் தவறான வழியில் நடத்துறான். Okay? Thank you so much, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Dhanyavadaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.